Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your device name for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and click OK. From here find the device preferences and click About. Here you can find device name, click on it and change. Now you can change to any of these names visible right here, or enter the custom name. You'll see the keyboard, enter the name you want to change and then press the enter button. From here you can see that the device name has changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.